Good morning, everyone. Last 2 weeks, I did get ready with me, so I thought I will do a eye look for today. It's a very simple eye look for today. It's called Moonlit. I have already shared the pictures in the group. It's just two colors. Let me show you them. So it's just Americano and Silver Shimmer. The idea is just one matte shade with one glitter shade. That's all it is about. You don't have to do the exact one. You can pretty much do with any combo. So let's start with it, and then I will show you some combos for you to try at the end. So I'm going to first color correct my eyes using candlelight. The two other shades you can use are Tiara and Natural Tan. So if those two will really work too. Candlelight has like a orange pigment to it. I have used both natural tan and candlelight so far. So even as I said, Tiara would exactly match my skin tone, but for this I wanted a little lighter one since the colors are going to be like a very subtle brown. So the next one is I'm going to take Americano, which is from the Cafe collection. I'm going to do it as an all over lid color. Since I have a hooded eye, I like to start it a bit higher than my natural crease. That way, when I lift my eyes, you will still be able to see the color. So if I do, this is my natural crease. If I do it here, when I open the eyes, you will not even see the color. So that's why I try to lift it little bit up. That way I can do this color all over. And with the shadow sense, you don't need a primer at all. But always make sure we color correct, because the eyelids is one of the softest place, so you will see the veins and discoloration even more. So if you color correct, the color that goes on top will look really nice on and it will pop. The other thing is you don't use this brush as your applicator. This is just to take out the product. You always take out the like a little bit and start layering, because with cream to powder, it's easy to layer and arrive at the color of that you are looking for, because that way you will have a blending time to work with, instead of if you have more product, then it will be hard to blend. Also take a fluffy brush and just blend out the corners. That way you won't have any harsh lines once you finish the look. That will make it really smooth. This brush doesn't have any products in them. Take a clean fluffy brush. That way it makes it even nicer to look. If you're beginner to shadow suns or even eye looks, always start with matte color, because that will make it easier for you to blend, and also it helps you to understand the product and transition to this shadow suns. And I'm going to take the same Americano and I'm going to run it under my lower lashes too. This will always connect and make the look like a finished look, because if you just do like your upper lashes, then you won't have like a finished eye look as you do the lower one too. I think the group will have, I think I have done Americano with French roast, Americano with rose gold glitter. I think I have many eye looks that has Americano in it, because Americano is one of my favorite shade. I know it's sold out company wide. That's that's so unfortunate. I hope they bring it to the permanent line, because this is one color I would love to stock up for even myself, because it's such a perfect color to work with. I mean, the formula is like easy to blend, and it adapts to your skin tone so much. So now I have finished Americano, so that's all it needs. Now we are going to go with Silver Shimmer. As I said, you just need any glitter. If you want, like, this is obviously a gray glitter. I have done a same one with I think a granite, which is like a gray. So I have done a look where it is like I have combined these two, and pretty much you can use any glitter. You can even do champagne shimmer, you can do the new lime shimmer. Basically, whether you want to be have the look in silver line or the gold, so it depends on that. You can pretty much add anything. I will show you some variations too. So let's go ahead and take a bit of the silver shimmer, and I'm going to start layering it in the middle of my eye, like how you do a halo look. That's how we are going to do. And then we are going to blend out with another brush. Take a clean brush and just bring the color in from the Americano side. That way you will just blend the color along with it instead of it standing out. You can do as many layers you want based on how much you need the glitter to show up. So it is like just you keep layering until you do the desired amount you need on both sides. That's the level. There is no right or wrong to stop here. It is up to you how much glitter you need. As I said, these and all will look really nice for a evening party look. So always make sure you blend them well. That way they look seamlessly and not stand out like a harsh line. I'm going to take the silver shimmer and I'm going to match it on my lower lashes too, just to give the same pop of color on the bottom. Some of the variations, as I said, are like you can do warm gold shimmer, you can do buttercup shimmer, you can do copper rose shimmer, you can do sandstone pearl shimmer, or these are, I think these are glitters. Glitters are obviously going to be even more shiny, so you will have platinum glitter. Again, this is lime shimmer, or you can do rose gold glitter. So it's up to you to pick the colors. It is like, as I said, there is no right or wrong combinations to these. You can pretty much, based on the outfit and based on the look, you can do any colors you want. So I'm going to do the black liquid liner for the top, and then I'm going to do, you can do a black pencil for the waterline, or you can do the, I have done here the black brown. You can do both. You can do based on what color you want to do. Like since my lip color is also on the brown side, I picked the black brown for the look. So I have picked the black brown pencil liner. Ours is the retractable one. So I like to do my waterline always with either Shadow Sense or the pencils. I'm going to do both top and bottom line. So for today's look, I picked the waterproof mascara. So that's the one I'm doing. Our waterproof mascara and non-waterproof, all of them have the Capixel, which is the ingredient that is going to help your lashes grow while you wear them. So it's up to you whether you want waterproof or non-waterproof. I prefer non-waterproof for everyday look, and if I'm doing anything where I need to have it for the whole day, then obviously I use waterproof for that day. And as I mentioned, it's the only difference is to remove the waterproof you need our liquid oops remover, or else you can just do the oops remover wipes if it is even non-waterproof mascara. And also you can use the shea butter body cream to remove the makeup. That's always my favorite way to remove makeup at end of day. That way you will moisturize, at the same time you will remove your makeup at the end. One of the toughest is talking while applying mascara. That's like a skill you need to slowly start developing, because it is like you cannot make funny faces while without doing that it's hard to apply your mascara. And that's it for the eye look. And for my lip, I have used nude honey and I topped it with the Java glass. Same way, if you are looking for a glitter one, you can even do rose gold glitter. That is another choice. For me, I have done Java glass so that I can make it a little more brown and it goes well with the whole look. So let me show you some color combos that you can pick. These are like, as I said, there is no hard and fast rules you have to do. It's up to you. From the whole collection you can pick. The basis, you pick a matte shade and you pick any glitter or a shimmer shade. So for example, you can do denim, which is a matte shade. You can do with the glacier glitter, which is like a white. And you can do rustic brown with cinnamon shimmer, which will give you like a one matte, one shimmer. The same way you can do garnet with rose gold. That's again a very good combination to work with. You can do onyx with lime shimmer. You can do tiara with sandstone pearl glitter. So it is like endless combination I can show you. So it's up to you on what base color you want and what type of glitter you are looking for. I think with the Senegen's new limited editions, you have tons of choices to make. And for my blush too, today I have used Copper Rose Shimmer along with Rosa. I have used both so that it all blends in with the same look. So here are the products I have used for today's eye look. Candlelight as the base, Americano as the all over lid color. I have used Silver Shimmer for the shimmery in the middle. I have used Black Essence and waterproof mascara, black non-waterproof waterproof mascara, but you have black brown too in that. And I have used the black brown pencil liner in my waterline. So and also I have used nude honey with Java glass. So that's all for today's look. Have a wonderful day. And I know the samples have already reached and I have sent out all the details, so I am very excited for those to start with. If you are still looking, you have time till this weekend for me to send out. So have a wonderful day. See you all soon.